So today's our day, day 3. Focus naman natin is legs. Okay, Sir Aurelio. Legs po, quads, glutes, hamstrings, ay yung mga focus natin for today. And nakita natin, nakapaa tayo para makita natin yung angulo ng paa natin po. Okay? So first, warm up naman tayo. Mobility muna. Feet wide. So from your set stance, okay, ito yung set stance, yung normal standing position natin. So heel, and then toe, point out. Okay, pati yung kabila, point out. So, ganyan, magiging shoulder width. Ayan, dyan tayo magsa-start. Ito yung base ng squats natin. And wide stance po. So, hands dito sa shoulders. Tapos, squats or kang squats tayo. So, pakita ko, profile. Okay, so from here, I'll check shoulders down towards your spine. Lean forward. Okay, lean forward. Konting bend lang sa tuhod or kung kaya hindi mo na magbe-bend. Lean forward as low as you can, tapos squat down. Then, stand up, and then rise. Okay, so kang squats, mobility exercises. So down, down, up, up. Okay, so inhale, inhale, exhale, exhale. Okay, so loosening your hip joints and yung hamstrings, glutes, and buong legs natin in a slow manner. So gagawin natin yan for 10 repetitions. 3 sets. Again, pakita natin, nakaharap. So, from your set position, heel toe out. So, lean forward, squat down, rise, up. Again, forward, down, rise, rise. As slow as you can. Pinakamababa na kaya dito. Tapos, upo tayo. Tapos, lean forward ulit. Tayo. Alright, so 10 repetitions, 3 sets lang for your mobility and then warm up.